The most practical thing, probably about having a dual vision. That was really practical for me. What can I give them in return? What might they want to hear from me, or what expectation might they have of what I'm bringing to the table? And so the moment you get that dual vision, it puts your requests or your needs and wants into the perspective of, does it make sense for me to demand this? If I am going to ask for this, how do I frame it? Negotiation, it doesn't come easy, especially if you haven't had to do it on an everyday basis. And so in terms of upskilling, I think practice is going to make perfect. I plan on using every opportunity I have to try and bring back this information and apply it in real life. We now have this framework where you really can box everything that's technically going to happen before it happens, and you can really think of how you would position yourself against that.